Welcome to an exciting exploration of the future of quality management. Today we're diving into ISO 9001-2026, anticipating the next evolution of this crucial standard. Get ready to understand what's coming and how it will shape industries worldwide. ISO 9001 has always been about continuous improvement and adapting to new challenges. The 2026 revision is expected to address emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and increased data integration, making quality management even more robust. One key area we anticipate is an enhanced focus on digital transformation within quality management systems. This means leveraging technology to streamline processes, improve data analysis, and foster better decision-making. Expect a stronger emphasis on risk-based thinking, particularly concerning cybersecurity and data privacy. Organizations will need more comprehensive strategies to protect sensitive information and ensure system integrity. The new standard will likely promote greater agility and resilience in quality processes. Businesses need to be able to quickly adapt to market changes, supply chain disruptions, and evolving customer expectations. Environmental, social, and governance, or ESG factors, are also predicted to play a more prominent role. ISO 9001-2026 will likely integrate sustainability deeper into quality objectives and operational practices. Leadership engagement is always critical, and the update will reinforce the need for top management to champion quality culture. This means driving innovation and ensuring QMS is fully aligned with strategic goals. Expect a focus on enhancing customer experience through personalized quality. Understanding and anticipating customer needs will be paramount, leading to more tailored products and services. The 2026 revision will probably emphasize proactive rather than reactive quality management. This shift means using predictive analytics and real-time monitoring to prevent issues before they occur. For organizations, preparing for ISO 9001-2026 means staying informed, fostering a culture of adaptability, and investing in new technologies. Start planning your transition now to stay ahead. In conclusion, ISO 9001-2026 promises a more integrated, resilient, and technologically advanced approach to quality management. Embrace these changes to lead your organization into a new era of excellence.